So as next we have to come gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here search key, then you have to type your model number Z890 and master AI2, then hit enter. After you can see here product, click to product. After that click to icon, this title, just single click. After that you can see here new tab open automatically. After that you click on support. So you can see drive OS, you can select all, otherwise you can Windows 10 and 11. So audio driver, click to download, wait few seconds to start automatically here. After that single click to open this, then double click to setup. Now this is extract data, to click on yes. You can see here now this is installing by the cmd command, wait few seconds, it will install automatically. So now this is completed, then close it. Chipset, so first this one and click to download. It is started downloading here. Then you can see open this which is downloaded, then double click to open. Then click to yes. This is extracting data to your system, wait few seconds, it will complete, then show. You can see here the installation. Now you can see here the because for your chipset driver this is required C++ Microsoft. So this is checking latest or not, and then now this is completed. So it is done. Okay, after that closed. Scroll down and you can see LAN driver, click to download. This only automatic start here and it will complete, just single click to open. After that double click to open, this is WinRAR file, then click to yes. Now this is LAN driver is installing by the cmd command. So it is installed and automatically close. After that close also this file, then VGA. You can see here, you just click to download. I already start for the downloading. You can see here this is 915 size, 915 and 950. Then guys single click to setup, just double click, wait few seconds. This is copying and extracting, you can say like that. Then guys click to yes. Now this is extracting to data your system. Now this is installing. You can see here graphic card driver. So it is installed. After that, close Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this is Wi-Fi and this is Bluetooth driver. So Wi-Fi, click to download. It is downloaded, showing here automatically. After that, just single click, which is downloaded for the Wi-Fi. Just double click, then click to yes. Now you can see here extracting, then click to yes to give the permissions like that. This is installing, installed by the cmd command. Wi-Fi. This is installed, then close it. So extract Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this is Bluetooth driver, download. So automatically start. When it is completed, you can see here the one download in the progress. Then click wait. Then you can see here this is downloading. Just single click and open. Give into yes. This is for the Bluetooth. You can see here Intel Bluetooth driver. So wait few seconds. Now this is installing the by background. So now this is install and close.